is so good. This is a dark chocolate, gluten-free vegan bar. I think it's my third one. Dream. My dreams. Okay, last one. But again, you should never let your pregnant wife go shopping because chocolate, rice milk, ice cream, and vegan, it's actually so good. Look, rice. And then if you've ever lived in London, you would know this brand. They make shortbread, gluten-free. Say what? And then I found paleo gluten-free gnocchi. That is crazy. Look at this. It actually tastes really good, so it doesn't taste like poop. So I've been craving rice pudding. Again, this is not sponsored. Rice Olay. It's coconut rice pudding. What? Again, I still have chocolate all over my face. I'm upset. Hey guys, just got my hair done, getting ready for birth. Side note, you should never let a pregnant woman go shopping because I still have chocolate on my face, will pick up things like this. And these are not sponsored, but look at my snacks.